everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Taj, and I'm bringing to you today a skincare review. And this is a little bit of a different skincare review. It's not really for your face, more so for your body. But it's featuring a brand that a lot of people do know and love. Might not be the brand that you're thinking of, but we definitely know the brand. Okay, so before I get into all the ins and outs and everyone what I'm talking about, let's just get into the review, shall we? Okay guys, so today we're reviewing a product from a brand company called Deciem. And so Deciem is a Canadian owned, founded and created brand. I'm not too sure of the pronunciation. Now, I am Canadian, so I'm not too sure if it's a French pronunciation or more of an English pronunciation, but I'm gonna say Deciem. It could be Deciem or Deciem. I'm pretty sure it's Deciem. Let's not get in too crazy with it, okay? I think it's Deciem. I'm not gonna go into the background of the company because it kind of gets a little bit crazy. And you can do the research for yourself, but nonetheless, it is a great company. They are pretty transparent, actually very transparent with their products, how to use their products, and they go into pretty good depth with that, especially when it comes to the ingredients. So they definitely have that listed on the website. They're not shy, they're very transparent. They let the consumer know what is exactly in the product, what it's for, and sometimes it does tell you when you should use it, between what time of night, and if you're using it with the different products. Okay, so before we get into all of that, we're not going to be reviewing the known and well-loved product brand The Ordinary. Today we're doing something else for Deciem. We're going to be reviewing this baby, and this is a product from the Chemistry brand. This is owned by Deciem. So Deciem not only has The Ordinary, which is a great alternative for affordable skincare products. They have the Chemistry brand, which lots of it is mostly lotions for your hand. They also have Node, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I believe that's for your hair. And they also are coming out with different products and brands. So definitely check out their website. It's pretty cool actually, and it seems a little intimidating at first, but it's pretty straightforward, so I would definitely recommend that you look it up if you are looking for something a little bit new and something more alternative. Now, the reason why I decided to go with Deciem was because I wanted to try different skincare products, and I didn't want to stick to the same products and brands that I would typically find in Sephora and spend a little bit more money. I wanted a variety of brands. And so when I went to the Deciem website, because they have different brands, you can always purchase at one time their different products, which I thought was really enticing, because we all know that when you are searching for something or you're buying things online, it would be nice if it could just all go collectively into one big cart and then you could just purchase that cart and you wouldn't have, like, you know, different carts to be purchasing from. You know what I mean. So anyways, back to the review. Deciem, the Chemistry brand. So the Chemistry brand is specifically for lotions for your hand and your feet. I don't remember seeing anything for your body, but I could be wrong. But I am pretty obsessed with body and hand care, especially my hands. I am pretty self-conscious about that. Very self-conscious about that. And before I go and do anything invasive like fillers for my hands, I'm going to try a variety of different lotions and products until I get the desired result. Okay, so I mean, this might not be for everybody, but you know, we all have insecurities that are different, and for me, yes, it is my hands. Now, for your hands, a lot of people don't think that's a big deal, but I use my hands very often. I work with my hands, you know, I shake people's hands, you know, I touch things. I'm pretty creative. So having nice hands is very important to me, and I do not take my hands for granted, essentially. You know, if it wasn't quarantine, I would be going to the salon to get a manicure, you know, a hand massage, those hand masks and all that type of stuff, just because I'm pretty into pampering my hands. Anyways, so I picked up the Chemistry brand's Hand Chemistry Pro Repair Skincare for Hands. And this is the 30 milliliter 1 fluid ounce bottle. It's about the size of my palm. It came in this little packaging, which I really do appreciate. However, I wish that it was the actual size of 30 milliliters. Like, I know that's a little bit hard for some brands and some companies to do, but I don't like when I get a product and I can see how much of the product is missing. I feel like that's just like, I don't know, I think that's weird. Like, I feel like you should have like the full product if you're selling it to me. So initially when I got that, I was like, okay, I wish you didn't show me how much air was in it, but cool, whatever. All that matters is that it works, because it's obviously 30 milliliters. I'm just being picky on the packaging. Packaging is pink and clear, which I really like. It's really cute. And they do have the ingredients on the website, not on the back. So if you're looking for ingredients, you're not going to find it here. You're going to find it on the website. They do have a little bit of stuff on the back, so I can read that to you. So this concentrated multifunctional hand cream targets 8 signs of hand aging simultaneously. So the extraordinary 19.5% active complex concentration improves the look of firmness, elasticity, density, evenness, brightness, texture, smoothness, and hydration. So those are the claims of this hand cream. Their directions are to apply evenly to hands morning and evening. Expect visible results in 11 days. Okay. So continue use to maintain results, and then all the other stuff like that. Okay. So when I first found this on the website, I was extremely excited because I know how Deciem and The Ordinary are very well loved within the skincare community and outside of the skincare community. So that was an initial reason why I wanted to try some more of their other brands. And then I never really try anything without a review. So when I seen the reviews for these, I was like, okay, so a lot of people are swearing by this. Let me try it. And I also liked kind of like the before and after that they have on their website. So I have now been using this for about, I want to say a week now. I don't really find, so I'll try it on for you guys and I'll show you in a little clip what it looks like. But I only put like that much on my hand. So you can kind of see what my hand looks like before I put the cream on. And I'm going to rub it in so you can see. I'm only going to rub in the top, really. And this is just one hand. I usually use both hands, but the formula of the cream is more like a thicker lotion consistency. So it wouldn't be the same consistency of a glycomide or a Vaseline. More so of the consistency of an Andalou or a Kiehl's kind of hand product. And definitely not the consistency of a L'Occitane. So yeah, definitely in between. It's like a looser cream. I would definitely call it a moisturizer because it's a lotion-y type of feel. The feel is definitely, it's almost like you can feel like a weird film on your hands, and it feels really soft. So I think there was glycerin in the ingredients, which would actually mean that your skin would feel soft. So that could be the glycerin. Other than that, for shine, you don't really get that much of a shine on your skin. I have pretty dry skin as well, so anything that goes into my hands kind of gets sucks it up. But I do feel like my hands are soft, especially the back of my hands. So now you can see what my hand looks like in the back. Looks moisturized. And by the back of my hand is soft. The front of my hand is a little bit soft, but not so much. So with me using this for a week now, I have noticed that my skin is just soft. And even though I had dry skin before, my skin was never so dry that it would feel disgustingly dry. Like I didn't have any eczema on my skin or anything like that. So I don't know, like I'm not too sure. I'm going to be using it. I've used it religiously, like morning and evening, like it said, for 7 days. And I haven't really seen or felt that many results. And I'm going to be honest, I wouldn't use this on its own if you have dry skin. I would definitely pair it with another type of hydrating lotion. So I definitely use this, and then maybe after 20 minutes, I'll use something else like a CeraVe or an Andalou or something else a little bit thicker for me, and then I'll put it on, and then that's when I feel like my hands have been really moisturized. This kind of just puts on a film for your hands, and I don't like that feeling, and I feel like that's a really irritating feeling, and I don't like that. So I definitely have used it religiously, but it's not the only thing I put on my hands. I definitely need more than this. I got the 30 milliliter once to try it, of course, but also because when I do travel, I want something small, and when I have my purses and I go somewhere, like when I go anywhere, I usually carry smaller purses. I don't really have large totes, so smaller purses are my thing, and when you have smaller purses, you need small travel compact creams. So here's a comparison of my hand. This is what it looks like after the cream. So I do have a lot of fine lines. You can definitely tell that. Those aren't going to go away with anything. Probably only fillers maybe, but I don't know if they do fillers on the palms of your hands. You can see, let me come a little bit closer. It looks soft, right? Sorry for my manicure, like I said, I don't do that shit. I go to the salon. Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, it hasn't been 11 days, but it has been 7. I haven't really seen that many astounding results. I mean, oops. I haven't seen that many astounding results. I definitely notice that my skin is just a little bit softer, but that could be this, and that could be just the fact that I moisturize my hands religiously with intense moisturizers most of the time. Yeah, in terms of texture, smoothness, firmness, I mean, some of those things, I am younger, so I won't really have some of the issues that are corrected by the cream. But to be honest, I don't know. Okay, so brightness. I will say that I feel like my hands do get a little brighter. I do feel that. Evenness, I never really noticed a difference with uneven skin tone for myself, but anything else besides that, like guys, I really don't feel that much of a difference. I still have the same amount of wrinkles. It doesn't really do like a blur effect on my hands. But I did take before and after pictures, so I will also link that somewhere here, or in a different clip so that you guys can kind of see. But so far I wouldn't say I'm not impressed, but I wouldn't say I'm jumping for joy and I would purchase this again. This ran me for 30 milliliters. This came to $20, and that's $20 Canadian. Of course, if you're American or wherever you are, it will probably be cheaper for you. For $20 for a 30 milliliter cream that's supposed to do X, Y, and Z, I will say that's a good price. I don't mind spending $20 for a good cream. I wouldn't say this is a bad cream or a lotion, but it wouldn't be something that I would go and grab off the shelf as soon as this is done. I think that I will just use it how I use it in my morning routine, in my evening routine, you know, when I wake up and I go to bed, before I go to work, you know, and before I go to bed. I think I would use that, but for other than that, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. And it's a shame because I really wanted to like this. I really wanted to like this, but I think one of my cats just definitely dropped some shit downstairs. But anyways, what I was saying is I really wanted to like this. It's not really doing it for me. Like, I'm not sure I'm going to pick it up. But I'm going to wait till the full 11 days before I give my final decision. But yeah, so far, I mean, I would say if your hands weren't as dry, maybe try this. But if you have really dry skin, you have the same issues that I do, maybe try it and then try it with a different moisturizer, like a thicker moisturizer, and you may get what you're looking for. I'm not mad at the Deciem brand. I actually really like them, and I plan on trying more things. Maybe I'll try their foot cream from the Chemistry brand, or maybe I'll try like a different hand cream, because they definitely have different hand creams. I just picked this one up, so maybe a different product would work best for me. And that's something that you can also request when you go on the website. You can also shoot them an email to the customer service, and you can ask them questions, and they can point you to the best products to use for your skin and what you're looking for. So overall, it's okay. It's okay. For $20, I'm not mad at it. I've had worse, to be honest. I'm not mad. I wouldn't run to the store or run online to pick it up again, but I would try something else, just because I like the brand. And I think experience for me is bigger than sometimes the result. So yes, if you're looking for a hand cream and you don't have extremely dry skin, sure, you might want to try this, or you may want to try something else on the Deciem website. So really that's all I have left. I plan on doing other reviews on the Deciem brand, different products such as the Ordinary. As you've seen, I had an array of lineup. I definitely want to do the foundation review because I've been using that for a few days, and I think that now is a good time where I can actually give my opinion. So if you're looking forward to more of these type of reviews, do like, comment, and subscribe, of course, because that really helps me out and I really, really do appreciate it. And if you would like to see more videos, of course, come on, like, comment, subscribe, and watch this video again. Watch another video. I have more. I mean, what more can you ask for, right? So I really appreciate you guys tuning into this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.